important to save your pocket money for rainy days.
Let us help you separate these coins.
Oh, thank you. It'll be very kind of you to do that.
Okay, come on.
This is going to take for ages. Why did you just do that?
Well, as you said, this is going to take for ages to separate all of these coins. And I already got a great idea. Can make a coin separator.
What? It sounds amazing, but how to make it?
Well, we just need cardboard.
Wow.
This is how a coin sorter looks like.
Wow. Looks cool.
You must put the coin inside this hole. The coin will slide down according to the size of these holes. It will drop into their own containers, and that is how it separates.
Awesome.
These are the things we need. A ruler, pencil, blade, eraser, scissors, and hot glue gun. And of course, we need coins to separate.
Don't forget tape.
Yeah.
First, to make our coin sorter, we'll need the parts of it. I've already drawn them. Now, we just have to cut it out. These are the pieces I already cut. Now, we have to make the slide for the coins. First, stick one cm. Then draw a line. Then, take your 10 cent, 20 cent and 50 cents coin and place it here. Then, check, measure your size and then make a box like this. Do the same with 20 cents and 50 cents. Now, we have to cut these boxes. It is very important to cut your holes with the correct size, or else the coins will not get sorted out properly.
Then put the side up so coins won't fall. You can use hot glue gun or either tape.
Now, take these two big pieces and form a L just like this. Now we've made the base. Now we have to put these two side parts. So the next thing to do is to put the slide in place. You have to put it like this. It has to be slanting, or else while the coin is moving down, it will get stuck. Before you paste the slide, you have to test it.
10 cents, okay. 20 cents, okay. And 50 cents. Okay.
Wow! The next thing we have to do is to place it inside here.
And then take this and paste it.
Here.
Now we just have 3 more pieces to paste. The first one here, second one up here, and third one all the way up here. And make sure your third one must have a little hole over there. Now we are done with our coin separator.
Yay!
Now we are just gonna wrap our coin separator with some wrapping paper to make it look nice. Come on. Now we've already decorated our coin sorter. Is it beautiful, guys?
Of course it is. This is 10 cents. It's 20 cents.
Yay! This is 50 cents.
So this is our end product. This is very beneficial. It saves your time, energy, money, and it's also fun to use. And don't forget, it's easy to make. Raghav, Keshri, me, Rishabh, would like to thank you all for watching this video.
And we are Science Run! Let's get started. Yes! This is my favorite part. Soaking that coin.
My turn.
No, it's mine!
Let's